Take a second and look at this phantom wallet. $6 million all made from launching meme coins on repeat, not by trading them. No hype, no luck, just a strategy that's proven and that works. I will be showing you guys exactly how to do the same. Now, if you guys did not know, bro, I used to trade meme coins every single day for a living. I was making decent bread, as you guys can see here, but something changed, okay? I kept getting rugged, and that's exactly why I stopped trading, because now I am the one who is behind these coins and I am the one doing this over and over again. I completely switched to the dark side, and that's when I flipped the script, because when you launch, bro, you are in full control, okay? You set the price, the hype, and the profits. You even control the entire narrative. You can create anything you want, and then you just create for free, because by the way, it costs literally creating a coin on the blockchain literally costs $0 to make, and then you wait for buyers, and then you dump and you make some bread. Okay, I switch from trading to deving, because now I can turn $0 into like $500 to $1,000 and just do this over and over again. Right now the markets might be down, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly why this still works. Keep watching. And by the way, bro, this is all for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. I'm just showing you how to do it, but do not use it. Cap! Now, most people, when they want to make their very first meme coin, they think about Pump.Fun, because that's most instincts for most people, okay? Pump.Fun is the most popular launchpad. Now, let me tell you why Pump.Fun is not good. Because yes, it used to be great, but now it's chaos. Why? Thousands of coins are launching every single minute, which means most will die before they even graduate onto the Raydium decks. That takes too much luck, too much time, and it's almost impossible for people like you and me. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because this launchpad, bro, is the best in 2025, okay? You have full control over all your tokens, and your coin will launch directly to Raydium, which means it will skip the bonding curve and it will go directly to the Raydium DEX, and it will be viewed to tens and thousands of potential traders. That's the beauty of this website. That's exactly why a bunch of people are coming to this fucking site, bro. It's literally a fucking cheat code. You guys will see with a quick example. Now, here's how to fucking launch a meme coin on this platform. First of all, you have to decide between two options. The first option is to create from scratch. So for example, you would go on X and you would look for a viral narrative to make a meme coin out of. It could be literally anything, like this meme right here. Okay, it's kind of funny. I mean, yeah, Binance, this is the way. That could be good too. You know, Elon Musk right here with his fucking rocket, that's a good narrative. Okay, and news like this, that's a good narrative too. Now, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, create a name, create a symbol, take a screenshot, and then save it into your PC, and then put it right here, and just like that, your coin is custom created after these steps. But the second way to create a coin is actually my favorite one, and that's by copying trending coins over and fucking over again. Now, bro, this tab right here is actually a cheat code, because all you have to do is just copy one. And by the way, bro, all these coins are already fucking putting a shit ton of volume on Pump.Fun, and they're already proven narratives. You just have to copy one and you get instant exposure and faster profits. And since the buyers are already watching them, you are bound to get buyers. Both options work, but copying trending coins is the best way to ride existing hype. Okay, now that you understand the setup, let's put it all into action. I'm going to dev this coin live so you can see the whole thing unfold step by step. Now obviously, okay, make sure your Phantom White is connected to the website, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm going to go with the Shiva. Wait, let me see. I'm going to copy the Metu coin because it's kind of funny, you know. It's like Meta but Metu, you know. It has a X, a $21,000 market cap, and 100 replies. So click on create coin. Then ignore the block, ignore the warning right from Phantom, click on proceed, confirm, click the checkbox, then confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. All you have to do is just be patient and wait. Let's go, boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Now this part's simple but crucial. We're adding liquidity. That's what connects your token to the Raydium DEX and turns it into a real market where people can instantly trade your coin. There's two simple steps. First is for the amount token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under is for the amount token B. It is basically your initial buy into your own project. It's not a loss. That SOL gets locked up to open the liquidity. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, every single bit of it goes straight back to you, so we have nothing to lose. Okay, you still own it. Okay, I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Make sure you have enough in your Phantom wallet, and then click on create pool. Once again, you are not losing anything, bro. And then click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button, and then scroll down, and boom, the Metal coin is on live. Our PNL is at $0 though. But if you click on the refresh button right here, now we're up $165 USD because people are now buying our coin on the Raydium DEX. Okay, that's the fucking power of, launching coins. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. Come on, it has to roll in the buyers, bro. Come on, we're kind of late. Okay, we're getting a lot of buyers. Oh my god, guys, we're already up like a couple $100. What the fuck is happening, bro? Oh my god, the coin is dumping. Now we could expect a little retracement. Yes sir, I just fucking I've done this so many times, I can just expect it. Come on, it has to fucking pump, bro. Just one more big buy right here and I will be happy, bro, as the day of light. Come on, bro. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro! We're getting so many buys, bro. What the fuck? Look at all the green candles, bro. Let's dump this coin right now. Come on, bro. One more big buy. 2.6k market cap, 1.4k liquidity. Things are looking good. The volume is high. Come on. Now guys, I think I'm gonna give this coin a bit of time for it to pump, because you have to give your coin some time to breathe and to marinate. So I am going to be right back in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing 5k in market cap. It is kind of consolidating, so I am scared that it is going to go back down. Anyways, let's make some money. Come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.4 thousand with a 5.1k market cap, which is extremely good considering that it has been a couple more minutes. So if you want to make some money, click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to, click on the remove liquidity button, and as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 9.4 SOL. Click on confirm, and boom, 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 boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some generational wealth. If I open the Phantom wallet, my bad, boom, $1.4 thousand is inside my Phantom wallet, bro. You guys gotta tap in, bro. Obviously, it's all for educational purposes only. But if you have any questions about launching meme coins, bro, come to my X, DM me at j.crypto or jp.jpflips. Okay, I will answer every single question, bro. And yeah, bro, good luck on your launch.